Good morning guys, in front of me is HTC U23 Pro and let me show you how to use secret codes on this phone. First open your phone together, then open keypad and let's start with the first code, the shortest one. It is *#06#. And as you can see here, you've got device information. So if you want to see your email or serial number, smoothly enter this code and here they are. So that's the quickest way to reach them. Tap on OK to exit. So that would be all for the first code. The second one is *##, *426, #**. And as you can see here, we've got FCM diagnostic mode in which you can check events and status. If you wish to get a bit more knowledge, tap on the more icon, mark advanced view, and here you've got a bit more information. Let me go back then, and another code that I want to show you is *#*, *225, #**. And here we've got the calendar info, so as you can see, all upcoming events from every calendar that is connected with your phone, all those events are displayed right here, so you'll not forget about it. Thank you for watching. As this is the last code, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.